Yahoo! Hello mga masters and mga kaji! Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at kung saan ka man lupalop ng ating daigdig. Ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. And welcome po sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips Thursday episode. Ngayon po ay araw ng Webes at ang bilis ng araw, no mga masters, ang bilis talaga ng araw. Ngayon po ay magle-lecture naman tayo. Dadagdag kaalaman naman po tayo. And we've been explaining and we've been sharing about the 10 impressive health benefits of Apple. So Apple po yung topic natin for the past ilang araw na po tayo nag-lecture about Apple. At syempre green ang color namin ni G ngayon. We are the Green Gang. Ayan, Green Gang kami ni G ngayon. So, nung few days, 2 days ago, nag-lecture na po tayo. Ang pinakaunang benefit po ng apple is, of course, apples are nutritious. Apples are nutritious. Ano yung apple, G? Oh? This is your favorite apple. Look at your favorite apple, G. That's G's favorite fruit. Apple. Okay. So, number 2 po, benefit ng apple, mga masters. It may support weight loss. Sorry, gumagalaw po yung ating microphone. So it supports weight loss. Number 3, could be good for your heart. Sa puso, sa ating heart health. And number 4 is linked to lower a chance of diabetes. Nakakatulong po yung apple para ma-lower po ang chance ng diabetes. Number 5 is apples may promote gut health or gastrointestinal tract health, okay, sa ating tiyan. And number 6, it may help prevent the word C or cancer. Kaya nakakatulong po ito sa cancer. Number 7, it could fight insomnia. Alright, so insomnia, mga insomnia naman ang pinag-uusap. It can fight asthma. Asthma po mga masters, hindi po insomnia. Paumanhin po, sorry. Okay, and number 8, let's proceed sa number 8 po at meron na po itong 10. So, ang number 8 po natin, is it may protect your brain. Nakakatulong po ito sa brain natin. Okay? So, quercetin, yung quercetin po isa sa mga matatagpuan po na components sa apples. Quercetin and apples may protect your brain from damage by oxidative stress. So yung mga oxidative stress, yung mga oxidation process po with the help of the antioxidants na tinatawag natin quercetin, ito po ay nakakatulong para hindi po ma-damage yung brain natin. Okay? So a meta-analysis of 14 animals studies, meron po silang analysis na ginawa sa 14 na mga animals, suggests that quercetin may have some preventive properties against Alzheimer's. Ayun, nakakatulong po ito na mag-prevent ng Alzheimer's disease, kung saan po sila po ay nagiging makakalimutin. Diba? Still, the researchers questioned some of the study methodologies and believed more research is needed to conclude. So, nag-try pa rin po silang mag-research, keep on continuing sa kanilang research. Remember that most researchers focus on a specific compound instead of the whole apples. May hinahanap po sila ng mga ingredient talaga or something kung ano makikita nila na hindi lang po sila nagba-base sa apple lang na itself. Hindi po sila nagfo-focus sa apple lang na ito. May mga compounds po sila na hinahanap dyan. Therefore, further research is still needed. Kailangan talaga sila mag-research pa. And specifically on the effects of apples before any conclusion can be drawn. Okay, so in summary, mga masters and mga ka-G, quercetin is in apples may protect your brain. May protect your brain, G. Are you gonna be very, very intelligent? Diba? Si G natin, super love ni Daddy. So, most sa apple, makakatulong po ito, ang quercetin, para po ma-prevent ang at ma-protect po yung ating brain against oxidative stress. However, further research and palaging sinasabi nila is needed to validate the effect of eating the whole fruit. So sa pagkain po ng apple itself, may maraming benefits, pero they want to keep studying until they really perfect kung ano po yung kailangan nila i-conclude. Alright, let's proceed po sa number 9. May improve mental health. Okay? May improve mental health. Eating more vegetables and fruits like apple, G? You want G? Apple? may help your mental health according to one of the 2020 systematic review. So meron po silang review, systematic review ang tawag doon, na sabi doon sa kanilang review ay ang pagkain po ng apple ay nakakatulong po sa mental health. They said, the study found in this benefit kicks in if you eat at least 5 servings of fruit and vegetables daily. Nako, kailangan pala tayong kumain ng fruits and vegetables daily, mga masters. 5 servings of fruit and vegetables daily. O si G talaga kumakain yan. Maraming vegetables and fruits yan. Nako, sa mga very love ni Daddy, si G, kumakain ng fruits and vegetables araw-araw. Ayun, may mental health mo is okay, right? Your mental health is okay, G, right? Alright. So, dapat consistent po mga masters. Consistent with the recommendations with the American Dietary Guidelines. So, kailangan maging consistent for daily fruit and vegetable intake. Kailangan talaga consistent po mga masters kasi pag hindi ka consistent, paano mo malalaman kung talagang nagwo-work po siya? Research studies have also suggested that eating apples can help your food digest better. Nakakatulong po ang pag-digest ng pagkain sa ating tiyan kung kumakain po tayo ng apples. Okay? So, and reduce the chance of getting gastroesophageal reflux or GERD disease. Or GERD, di ba? Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Ano sa inyo dyan ang may tinatawag na GERD or GERD? Ayan po, kumain daw po tayo ng apples, sabi po dito sa ating research. Multiple studies have also suggested that eating apples can help your food digest better. Sinabi na po yan, which may be helpful with constipation. So, sino pa sa inyo dyan ang palaging pong may constipation or nahihirapan pong mag-move ng kanilang bowel? So, the solution there is, ito po, eat apples every day. Eat apples, Your apple is ready for you, G. Diba? Okay, so, but the extent of the effect will depend on the type of apple you're eating. Marami po kasing apple kasi mga masters eh. Okay, so hindi lang po isa yung variety ng apple. Marami po silang variety ng apple. Kaya po kailangan lang natin talagang malaman. So frequently asked questions, is it good to eat an apple every day? Yun yung tinatanong nila. Kasi may kasabihan na one apple a day keeps the doctor an apple a day keeps the doctor away, diba? Yung sinasabi po nila. Apples are incredibly nutritious fruit that offers multiple health benefits. So eating at least 1 apple daily will certainly benefit your health. Ayun, so ang suggestion po nila, pag kumain ka daw ng apple kahit isang apple sa isang araw, ay makakatulong talaga po sa ating health. Okay? So how many apples a day is beneficial to eat? Ilan daw yung pwedeng kainin beneficial? There isn't a specific number of apples that the best to eat daily. Wala po silang sinabi po sa research. And the American Guidelines for Nutrition recommend about 5 servings of fruit and vegetables. So hindi lang po apple, you can have to have fruits and vegetables a day. 5 servings a day po yan, mga masters. Split evenly between fruits and vegetables. So sa aking tinuturo ay meron tayong half of the plate should be made of more vegetables than fruits. So 50% ng iyong pinggan or plato mo is 30% vegetables and 20% fruits talaga. So yun po. So pwede yun apple, 20% na kung gusto mong apple lang. Pero kung nalagyan mo ng ibang mga fruits, mas maganda. Diba? So One study, may study po na tungkol sa apples that the best, sandali po, nawala po ako. Okay, one study on apple specifically did find that people who eat apple, at least one apple a day, seem to require fewer prescription medications. Mas konti po yung kanilang, or iba wala pong mga prescription or mga maintenance medications. Diba? They said more research is needed to investigate this. So, they are rich in fiber. Apples are very rich in fiber and antioxidants. Eating them is linked to a lower chance of getting many chronic conditions. Okay? So, pag kumakain ka po ng apple, mas konti lang po yung health problems na mag-develop sa katawan mo, or iba nga wala din silang mga health conditions dahil healthy po sila. Okay? So, yung mga conditions like diabetes, heart diseases, and cancer. So, may iwasan talaga. Apples may also promote weight loss, diba? And improve gut or gastrointestinal tract, sa tiyan natin, and brain health. Even though more research is needed to better understand how apples affect human health, kung kailangan pa daw research, pero you can't go wrong with this tasty, versatile, and easy accessible fruit. Maganda talaga. Try this. Eat whole unpeeled apple instead of apple juice or puree to get the best out of the fruit. So subukan niyo talaga pati yung balat niya. Alright mga masters and mga ka-G, kita-kits tayo mamaya sa ating Premier Marathon dito po sa Bahay Kulitan, and I really appreciate your big help sa pag-replay and of course sa pagpunta sa aking Premier everyday. Again, this is your one and only Master Worm and G, the Green Girly Kitty Patutiguana. God is great. Yahoo!